Hello, my name is Eric, and I want to tell you important information about Joint Restore. But first, I need to make an alert. Joint Restore is sold only on the official website of the product, which you can access through the link in the video description. Be careful, because there are people trying to sell fake products. What is Joint Restore? Joint Restore Gummies is a dietary supplement that is intended to alleviate joint pain. Proper Wellness is the company that creates, markets, and sells the supplement. It's a natural remedy that uses a USHA seal and organic plant components to alleviate joint pain and discomfort. Natural healing properties are present in the ingredients of Joint Restore Gummies. As a result, the joints are restored to their natural state, and all acute and chronic aches are relieved. Unlike other unpleasant-tasting products on the market, the Joint Restore Gummies are easy to consume and provide a pleasant sensation on the taste buds while helping with joint pain and discomfort. The strawberry flavor also has a lovely aftertaste. How the Joint Restore Gummies work? The Joint Restore Gummies are a novel and effective pain relief formula that has been studied in clinical trials to help with long-term pain. The formula is designed to provide pain relief for as long as the user uses it on a regular basis. Furthermore, the therapeutic and pain-relieving properties of Joint Restore Gummies continue to work even after supplement use is discontinued. The CBD and boswellia in the Joint Restore Gummies help to reduce inflammation in the body. Pain and ache episodes are reduced and the body's inflammatory condition is treated. Furthermore, they work together to promote the body's natural healing process. What are the ingredients in Joint Restore formula? The Joint Restore Gummies ingredients were thoroughly examined, and their effectiveness in the pain alleviation and joint repair functions are well presented and explained by the supplement maker. Cannabidiol, CBD has anti-inflammatory properties and can help with chronic pain. CBD's anti-inflammatory properties make it an excellent treatment for aching joints and muscles. CBD has been shown to be extremely effective in breaking the body's vicious cycle of chronic inflammation. Inflammation is one of the most common causes of many health problems. It has been clinically proven to be very effective in assisting the body to break free from the cycle of chronic inflammation. Inflammation is a precursor to many health problems, including joint pain. As a result, CBD's anti-inflammatory properties provide significant health and wellness benefits. CBD has been shown in studies to alleviate joint pain and stiffness. It's also an essential component for those who have arthritis. Boswellia serrata extract. This ingredient is extracted naturally from plants. People who consume boswellia extracts on a daily basis report less joint discomfort and stiffness, as well as lower inflammatory markers in their blood. This ingredient also improves people's quality of life by allowing them to walk farther than before. Boswellia extract can alleviate joint pain by reducing inflammation. In a double-blind trial, this claim was proven. The fact that X-rays revealed that people's joints improved significantly after only a few weeks of taking boswellia suggests that it is effective. Organic sugar. Sugar is used to improve the taste of Joint Restore CBD gummies. Users are less likely to skip their dose due to the pleasant taste. As a result, users will have fewer chances of missing even one dose of their supplement. The importance of consistency cannot be overstated, and while sweetness may not appear to be an important factor when considering all of these factors, it is critical for consistency. Joint Restore Gummies contain ingredients that have been scientifically proven to help people with joint and muscle pain. Furthermore, these components have been shown to improve joint health and structure, allowing users to live a more comfortable life. Now you can turn the pain off like light switch and heal your knees with Joint Restore Gummies. Don't wait any longer. Order your discounted bottle now. Access the official Joint Restore website via the link in the description. Take advantage of the promotional prices. This offer is for a limited time.